part of the Draper Foundation range of AV structures and mounts. Foundation ONE is a versatile wall mounting system designed to streamline LED display installations across environments and applications. Foundation ONE is built for high-volume rollouts with shorter lead times and a lower overall cost. Notched guides speed up leveling, reduce labor, and eliminate guesswork. Installation is fast and precise. Utilize 2 Foundation ONE mounts for each LED cabinet in the bottom row, and a single mount for each cabinet in the rows above to create any screen size or configuration. The system is built to support LED cabinets between 600 and 610 millimeters wide, M6 or M8 bolts, and cabinet depths from 38 to 76 millimeters. Precision adjustment on the X, Y, and Z axes ensures a level and seamless finish. The optional trim kit snaps into place magnetically, delivering a clean and polished edge with no field cutting required. Deploy faster, build smarter. See the difference. Foundation ONE LED Video Wall Mount System by Draper.